Dúndar an dúlag nuair a chuine se bheith ghlach. Latha Trang le Norma Martin agus Christine Sgoil-àraich. Callum and Ailey are at home getting ready to go to the nursery. Curiad the vroken is cross the voten, says Mum. Gaat je wel te stokkenen? Asks Dad. Ha gensi Ailey savach, says Callum. Ha pente gorum ip digish Callum, says Ailey. Now it's time for the jackets. Gaat je wel te herket woeie? Mum asks Callum. Ha talum boeie is talum dierak. Ha sherket dierak ek Ailey, says Callum. Kurosh the herket. Who can you mach, says their dad. Callum and Ailey are ready to leave the house with their dad, but they are surprised when they open the door. Aper la, sjouw dan snjach, says their dad. Hai voer, complains Ailey. Ga neel met allemach, says Callum. But a few minutes later the weather gets better. The three of them start walking to the nursery. Shall ma haun? Hookin, says Dad. Hai bria bla, says Ailey. Ha mi rovla, complains Callum. By the time they get to the nursery the weather has got worse again. Han dish gown the nish, says Ailey. Ha mi bok fluch, wails Callum. Aper droch la, says Dad. The nursery is very busy today. How Janev, asks Miss Burns, the teacher. Hamish a skriva, replies Finlay. Hami a koshach, says Callum. Hamish a pentig, says Maddie. What are the other children doing? Hami a cluch, says Ailey. Hamish a shine, says Ian. Chanil dat, says Rachel. Hashin ma. Reinu fear va, says Mrs. Harris, the nursery teacher. Now the children are playing at dressing up. They are looking in the mirror. Dear sure, asks Callum. She ska na haun. Kulisha hai, says Miss Burns. Shen skanik Maddie a haun, replies Ailey. But is it Maddie's mirror? Chanye, say Michael and Holly. Whose mirror is it? Son looms a high, says Ian. And on le Ian ha sho, asks Mrs. Harris. Sound, reply Michael, Holly and Ailey. Gleva, ha shin cashed, says Miss Burns. The children are playing in the hospital corner. Callum is the first patient. Ha sul Challiam gost, says Rachel. Do I care? Asks Mrs. Harris. Vuol mi mo hool, wails Callum. Come lat, bu cash galer, says Miss Burns. Ailey is the next patient. What's wrong with her? Die hacher, a vel de gas gost, asks Ian. Huit me, Ailey replies. Tok de gas, ha fuller de gas, Miss Burns tells her. Come lat, bu cash galer, says Mrs. Harris. The other children can't wait for their turn. Ha mo vinnig gost, moans Michael. Han dachkers aram, says Maddie. Ha mi ski, yawns Holly. Ha mish veel mecher en taivik, says Finlay. Mrs. Harris teaches them a song about parts of the body, and they all sing it together. Closen, sulen, strain is biad. Gulen, ulen, lava, storn. What a busy day. Now it's time to go home again. Shona parent and a teen, says Finlay, looking out the door. Fisker ma, says Mrs. Harris. Martian leave, reply Callum and Ailey. Dunion Doris, says Miss Burns.